Guys? Welcome back to Super Surge's Classroom. And today we're going to do division. 4.4F, use strategies and algorithms, including standard algorithm, to divide up to a 4-digit dividend by a 1-digit divider. So basically, we're doing long division. And let's get started. All right, to my bilingual kids out there, you see these words? They mean divide. So, si miran estas palabras, mis chicos, eso significa dividir. Divide each, between, cut up, share, half. How many in each? Divided by, distributed también, distributed. So, si miran estas palabras, if you see these words, they mean divide. Okay? All right, guys, so we're going to do a problem right quick, computation problem. So we're going to divide 1,460 divided by 4. So let's go ahead and put it in the standard algorithm. So it doesn't matter if it comes in an equation, you put it in standard algorithm. So long division, 1,460 divided by 4. So first thing we do is I house it. House it. That's the first thing. This is housing. That way I know that each of these numbers has their own place value. Home, right? So the 1 is 1,000, that's its value. 4 is 400, 6 is 60, and 0, well, that's in the units, it's 0. Second, I do multiples, right? I do multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. And I'll stop right there. We could keep going if we need to later on, but for right now, I just do 5 or 6 multiples of 4, right? So next thing is we do number 3 is we divide, we multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat. Daddy, mommy, sister, brother, uncle, repeat, right? So can 4 go into 1? No, 4 is too big. It cannot go into 1. Can 4 go into 14? Yes. 4 can go into 14. Where's 14? 14 is between 12 and 16. Now remember, we can't go over, but we can't get close enough. So we're going to pick 12. See, let's see how many multiples that. 1, 2, 3. So 3. Now 4 times 3 is 12. And now we subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0, right? Can 4 go into 2? No. So we're going to have to bring down. That's 26. And then we're going to have to repeat it. Do it all over. 26 divided by 4. Yes, how many times? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, so 6. 4 times 6 is 24. All right? 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So now we bring down this 0. And we repeat. So daddy, mommy, sister, brother, uncle, repeat. Can 4 go into 20? Yes. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 exactly. 20. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the answer is 365. And one way to check your answer if you just multiply. You multiply the quotient. Remember, the answer to a division problem is a quotient. You divide it times, you multiply it times the divisor. And the same thing, I house it here. 4 times 5 is 20. Regroup, you put the 2. 4 times 6 is what? 24 plus 2, 26. And you carry the 2. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. And we have 1,460. So that's one way to check if you divide it correctly. So now we have a word problem. This is a typical word problem for 4th grade and sometimes 5th. Just depends where you're at. This is a star. So let's get to it. There are 1,092 people who work in an office building. The building has 4 floors, and the same number of people work on each floor. How many people work on each floor? So, what keywords did you see? Or did you hear me? Or did you hear? Each. Whenever you see the word each, right? Each in the question is most likely a division problem. Also, whenever you have a total, it means it's going to be a division or subtraction problem, right? So let's go ahead and divide. So let's house it. 1092 divided by 4. So what are the, since we already did 4, let's do we already know the multiples, right? 4, 8, 8, sorry. 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, right? Oh, I messed up. First thing first, we have to house it. But it's all right. We got it there. And let's go ahead and do step 3. Let's divide. Can 4 go into 1? No. Can 4 go into 10? Yes. How many times? 1, 2. 10 is between 8 and 12, but you can't go over, so 2 times. So 4 times 2 is 8. 0 minus 8, you can't do that. We got to borrow. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Now we have to bring down the 9, right? That's part of it. Now we have 29. And as you can see, I stopped at 24. So we can keep going. So we stopped at 6. 7 times 4 is what? 28. 28. 8 times 4 is 32. So 29 is between 28 and 32. So we're going to go ahead and use 8. 4 times 8 is, I'm sorry. Wrong one. Wrong one. Wrong one. Let me erase that. We're going to use 7. 7. 7. 4 times 7 is what? 28. All right. 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. So that means I'm going to have to bring down this 2. Right here. Now, how many times can 4 go into 12? Let's see. 1, 2, 3 times. 3 times, right? So 4 times 3 is 12. 12. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So the answer is 273, which is A. And remember, you want to just make sure you could always multiply your quotient times your divisor. 4 times 3, 12. Regroup, carry the 1. 4 times 7 is 28 plus 1 is 29. Carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. 1092. And yep, this matches over here. All right, so yes, you got the right answer. F. All right, guys, and that's how you do it. All right, guys, thank you for watching. And you have a great day. Remember, hit the like and subscribe, all right?